Our experience with Soundbox has been amazing. And the reason why I say that is that we started down a journey and we had a vision, but we didn't know what we didn't know. And so it's difficult to do that on your own. And so we had to turn to an organization and an individual, Jason Reynolds, that really helped us first and foremost understand our vision. Because our vision really wasn't just an install on some gear, shall I say. It was really capturing and identifying the gear that would be necessary to make the experience that we're trying to create a reality. And for us, the experience is everything. In a worship context, a worship experience, both in person and online. We've seen so many changes, and in fact, a lot of transformation. That's one of our keywords, being transformed. And working with Jason and Soundbox allowed us to make that vision a reality, where the experience, whether it's present or online, was one of excellence. We believe in excellence, and excellence is doing things to the very best of our ability. So we're so happy, we're so grateful that Soundbox wasn't just a supplier, they weren't just a vendor, they were a partner in seeing the vision become a reality. It was important for Soundbox not only to understand our vision, but to work within the resources that we had. And for us, it was really a step of faith. We knew we were going down this journey. We didn't know exactly on how it would unfold, but it was important for them along this journey to understand, because there was a lot of changes. COVID hit, we had to pivot. There was other constraints that we were facing in this global pandemic and how we operated. We went from really 99% in person to 99.9% online. And along the entire journey, Soundbox and Jason and the team, they were great listeners. Not only were they listeners, they were very solutions oriented. You know, the thing that I remember the most that stood out for me, we had some limitations, we had some challenges, as you can imagine, in any sort of execution of a project. But every time we posed a question or what seemed like a challenge, whether it be Jason or the team that was here, they always were solutions focused. I salute you, Soundbox, for not just being a partner, but being solutions oriented. That makes a difference, and for us, it gives us a greater confidence. And it was with great joy we say thank you very much for being a partner in seeing the vision become a reality.